people over, everybody wants their burger done a different way.
Yeah.
Somebody wants rare, someone wants medium, someone wants well done. How do you know what's what? Because you don't want to be a slave to the burger bar all night. You simply just write on the top of the bun. Okay.
Right on the bun?
Yes, we're gonna write
like
rare. Rare.
That's the ketchup, people.
Boop! You put all the burgers out, you label them with the bun, you could just do a letter, you could write the word itself, you leave it out, everyone can help themselves, and
so
you can
what is
actually
it?
be
M for medium, and then what's the other one?
R for rare.
Right? R for rare.
W for well.
W for well.
I feel like I've just been to kindergarten. Okay. That's a good idea.
Easy.
No, that's good, Jennifer.
Let's finish big. Come on, get in there. I sense a demo coming on.
Let's have you guys on this wreath together.
Wreath.
Okay.
And I'll be at
Go ahead.
just a form.
All right.
You know, this foam form is under $5 any craft store, right? This is something you may want to start a little bit before the day of July 4th, because this is a lot of flags. These little flags, $2.99 for about 150 of them, okay?
Okay.
Dollar store again. Want to grab your flag?
I love the dollar store.
We're gonna work. I've seen you there so many times. What are we? We're gonna stick.
You're gonna fill this whole thing with flags?
The whole thing.
That's gonna be 4 days. July the 8th by the time we get through it.
You know what?
My mother's birthday's the 18th. She'll have a very patriotic wreath by then.
You know what? This is where I don't.
This is fun, though.
I don't believe in child labor laws.
No, I love this.
Get the.
Reach, look how much you're growing when you come here.
I'm learning so much.
You want to get your flags deeply set in.
Deep.
Because I don't want to see your foam, okay?
Oh, she doesn't want to see the foam.
Look at you. See, you know what you're doing.
I do.
Yeah.
So keep
Proper
sticking them
flag
in.
placement.
Yeah.
And again,
It's very important.
anything on a toothpick can be your friend with a floral form, okay?
Yeah.
Anything on a toothpick can be your friend. With
How many? 100 of these for $2?
Yeah, you don't care about this at all, do you?
No, I do.
He does.
I love my. I served my country.
You did? Well, then you'll like
look,
to finish
look at the
yourself.
ta-da. It is a beautiful wreath.
Come on.
That is well done. No,
And you can use it every year.